So we can see the progression that's going on with my tomato plants. You can see those two little ones there, and you notice obviously there's some open spots. I'll show you those in just a second. And notice how this tomato plant is growing pretty good, doing well. And so then I turn to my trusty bin over here. So here you can see that I have 4 tomato plants that are growing in this particular container. So I'm going to see how well they do there, and then once they get better, this one I gotta decide if I'm going to transplant them into a bigger pot. I probably will. These 2 little guys, I'm going to put the container back on top so that they can continue to be protected from the wind and all that, right? And so yeah, if this works out well, then I'm going to start planting other things. Now remember, all of these seeds were free seeds from the Lone Star College, where they give you packages of free seeds for tomatoes, beets, onions, peppers, all kinds of things. So I just figured I'd start off this year with just these little tomatoes, see how they grow, see if eventually we can have some tomatoes for our salad. And I'll show you shortly the chives that are growing really crazy.